Hello once again and welcome to my channel. Today we have an exciting one, the VIVITAR AEROVIEW versus the VIVITAR SKYVIEW. We will be doing the return to home, so let's get straight to it. Let the battle begin. First up is the VIVITAR SKYVIEW. Let's see what it's gonna do. Turn it on. Okay. Alright, let's go. Actually like this drone, but compared to the SKYVIEW, I'm sorry, to the AEROVIEW, I would take the AEROVIEW over this one for simple reasons. Firstly, let me just hit the return to home button. Okay, it's going up, which is good. Comes back. Quite interesting. And now it's making its descent. Okay. Wow, that's a really good performance right there. I think it's almost a feet or less than a foot, so that's good. Next up, the champ itself, the VIVITAR AEROVIEW video drone. So let's see what it has to show us right now. I'm sure it's not gonna let us down. Or rather, I hope it's not gonna let us down, because I believe it could perform better than that. Okay, lift off. Oh no! Whoa, whoa, whoa! It drifted off. Huh? I wonder why. Jesus. This is unbelievable. I guess I just have to calibrate it. I would calibrate it and then bring it back to the competition. But for now, let me just turn this off and then calibrate it for a minute. Alright guys, I'm back. I just calibrated it. It's been a while. I hadn't calibrated it, so maybe that's the reason. As you can see right now, it is stable. Let's get straight into business. Wow, that was a shocking one right there. Return to home, and yeah, it's looking for its takeoff point. It landed quite a few feet from its takeoff point, so well, let's go. Let's get a second round, and it's quite stable. It looks like the SKYVIEW is is more prepared today for this competition than the AEROVIEW, and that was a shocking one with the AEROVIEW. Let us hit the return to home. Like I was saying earlier, I prefer the AEROVIEW to the SKYVIEW for several reasons, including responding to control, nimbleness, just agility, you know. Oh wow, another good performance from the SKYVIEW. This is unbelievable. The SKYVIEW it looks likely like the SKYVIEW is, you know, more prepared for the day than the AEROVIEW. Let's go with another round with the AEROVIEW and see what it does. Hopefully this time it will repeat its performance that it did some few weeks back when we did the same challenge with the Capture 2 GPS. So it came back. I wonder why it hovers over the, oh no, that was poor. Okay, let's go back one more round with the SKYVIEW. The AEROVIEW just hovers over the point and then moves a little bit to the left all the time. I don't know why it does that, but the SKYVIEW is having a better day today. Okay, let's return it home. Okay, it goes up this time around. The first round it went up, the second round it came back straight without going up, and now the third time it went up again. So it kind of decide when, or depending on the flight route, whether it should go up or come back straight. And it seems to be doing great again. Wow. A little bit further this time around, but yeah, that was a almost perfect performance right there. So let's try again with the AEROVIEW. Hopefully it hits the bullseye this time around. But so far so good for the SKYVIEW. Okay, flying around a little bit there. I wonder whether it just needs to be warmed up or something. Let's see what it does this time around. Yeah. Return to home. Comes back. Goes around. And lands. You know, just almost the same distance like it landed the last time, and almost at the same spot. So yeah, that's what it is for today. None of them, the two drones, hit the bullseye today, as opposed to the last time where both of them hit the bullseye. Today, none of them hit the bullseye. And while the SKYVIEW had a slightly edge over the VIVITAR AEROVIEW video drone, the VIVITAR AEROVIEW carries the day and remains the champ of the competition. Thank you. Please subscribe, comment below. See you on my next video.